Hey, this is Madison with the Sensory Path. Let's install the Ninja Block Hop. Before starting, I made sure to sweep and mop the floors really well. I'll start with unrolling and cutting apart the images. Next, I'll plan the placement of the blocks. Don't worry, we include a layout guide to make this step easy. Because my floors aren't tiled, I'm going to place down some tape to help me keep my blocks straight. If I had tile, I'd simply align the blocks with the tile lines. To begin, I'll remove the backing from my block and place one side onto the floor. Using a wave motion with my squeegee, I'll carefully guide the block down. I made a guide that's about 19 inches long and will place a few blocks on the right. I can now take my black lines and place them. Depending on how far apart you want your blocks, you don't have to use the entire black line. You can easily cut it down. I'll use an X-Acto knife here to cut my line down. For the final step, I'll place my arrows in the middle of the black lines. And that's the Ninja Block Hop.